Today we are going to be surviving 100 days on Sons of the Forest, but we won't do 100 days in one video because like that's too much effort, you know. So we're gonna make it into episodes. So like we'll have like one episode, two episodes, three episodes, so on, so on. So today we are going to do Sons of the Forest. I don't have a camera, so I can't really do FaceTime. I'm trying to do this like where I record it. I'm gonna just voice over it, you know, shit like that. But enjoy. Bang. Alright, there we go. How do I go to settings? Oh, I can't. Okay. Alright, so this is the missing person. Alright.
Buckets.
Alright, let's turn it to the computer. I added up on my laptop. Pissing me off.
Yeah.
Fight
Alright, mate.
demons. Oh, looks like I'm fighting demons today. Oh shit. No. Okay.
Wait, I've lost the guy that was following me. I've lost him. My teammate. He stitched me.
Oh no! Where am I? No! Why am I not helping him? Let me give him my hand. Oh. Oh shit! No!
Oh.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Help me.
Oh shit! I think I know where you are.
No.
Wait, no, wait.
Oh,
That's where I
someone's
spawned.
saving me.
No,
Oh wait, no, I have to save him. Let me break the glass. No, he's dead. No. Oh, I'm gonna drown. Alright, I'm gonna keep clicking E. Smashing this door open. Bang! Swimming. Wait, I see an A.
See an
Okay.
A?
Yeah, I think that's your name. Like, that's you. Alright, it's black right now. Black screen. Oh.
Oh, finally he's back.
Oh.
Bloody hell.
This is. Oh! Who are you? Oh no. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh. Okay, I'm knocked out. Right, brilliant. No. Oh. Why? I'm black. Let's go.
Yeah, no, I'm black too.
Let's go. Only emergencies. Oh, open emergency only. Looks
Wait,
like
so
I got a
I've
lot
got
of shit.
I have a phone on me. Wait, why
Oh,
can't I just...
I got I see you. Come here, you prick. I got a
No, but
rock.
I promise you, what you see right now, I did not do.
What? What happened here?
No witnesses.
No, no. Already, before the game even started, I see my friend already sacrificing our teammates. I don't know what happened. I just walked in, bang. I see people dying. But after that, we met someone.
No, bro, she's dancing.
What the? How do I kick her? Oh,
Oh,
is
yeah.
that person? I see. Think he sent me a TikTok or that.
Oh yeah, no, I know who it. What do we do? Is she like an enemy or a friend?
I don't know.
No, she's running away.
On the video, she got booted. So.
No, well, you've scared her away again.
Oh my god. Oh look, there's an exclamation mark. Oh yeah, I have to retrieve it.
Where do, what do we do? What is our main? It is just to survive.
I don't know. Oh, I found wood.
Okay, okay, I have a knife. I have a knife. Stay.
Oh shit!
No,
Alright, let's follow me. How do I eat?
no, follow me.
How do I write it?
It's D.
Follow me.
No, no, no. Follow me.
No, follow me. No, 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 no. Look this way. Look this way. Oi! This guy is following me. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay, that's enough.
Oh,
That's enough. No. Without knowing the aim of the game, we just decided to build a house, and then something came to our mind, and we decided to take action on it.
No, but let's just build a house.
You're, yeah.
I think day one, let's go settle down nicely, you know.
How do I leave? Oh, equip the lighter. I got a
Wait,
lighter.
Neville, Neville, should we ditch him? Should we make him stay here?
Dude, go for it. Go for it.
Stay here. We're ditching him already.
Oh no. So I look at him. He's crouched down and everything.
Well, it's a final goodbye.
Goodbye. Yes, we decided to leave Kevin because he was letting us down. He was pretty weak, so we left him behind. Yeah, that was our final goodbye to Kevin. Oh, I got. Do you reckon I can make a pickaxe?
I just don't know. Let's find a place to live. I think I have an axe.
Oh, I can make a campfire.
Let's go. No, it's turning dark.
Yes, I decided to make fire. And trust me, I regret it now. As soon as I made the fire, this happened. I made a fire!
Ah!
No, no, I started fire! No!
Fire!
No! Run!
Where's the water? Where's the water? Why would you do it in the forest? You almost killed me.
After a long, hard travel, we finally found a place to live and settle down. We'll go for that then.
Should we build here? Is it like logical to build here? Or nice open space?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. I found sticks. Yes. Alright, we can make a campfire. With... Oh wait,
Right,
who's that following us? Oh wait.
It's him. Make
don't
one
need-
over here. Make a campfire over here.
Alright. I guess.
Don't set me on fire again.
Let me just. L. Let's go. Yes.
Ah, what the hell? What am I doing? What is this?
that?
What have I got in my hand?
I don't know.
Who's what the hell?
Sleeping. No.
No.
It would be a real shame if we killed him, obviously. Put the fire on
Wait,
him.
how do I sleep? I want to sleep. How do I sleep? Can we? Right, Kelvin. Oh, what is this?
Oh wait. Oh, I'm like protecting the fire. Wait, am I?
Right, Kelvin.
What am I doing? We had a quick talk and it got really emotional. It's like too emotional. Like something happened. Like, it was just yeah. It was very painful.
I guess Neville. How did we end up here?
I don't know. I don't know. Oh no! I'm burning. No. Where's the water? Where's the water at? No, I'm gonna die. No.
Yeah, you're not on fire. You're not
Oh,
on fire anymore.
right,
You're not on
right.
fire anymore.
Okay. Okay, don't worry.
How does this guy rest?
Oh, he's awake. I think he heard me like. Wait, is he awake? Oh yeah, he is. He heard me burning.
I have some batteries.
Oh!
What?
The tree almost collapsed on me.
Yeah. Oh, I told him to get some wood.
I'll help him.
Right.
Is it breaking? Oh yeah, it is. Oh my god, this game
Whoa.
is so beautiful.
Ah, Neville.
I'll leave it here. Wait, how do I? Alright, C. Yeah, we'll just put that here.
I think that's how we build the floor. Yeah, it is. And then we need to... Yeah, okay, so we need some more.
After grinding our asses off getting wood, we had some unexpected visitors. So much. Let's go.
What the hell?
Okay, okay.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's those people. Can I set the... Oh, he's coming closer, Neville. Where's my axe? Are they hostile? They look hostile.
Wait, you're not taking my
No,
wood.
no, no. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Let me talk to them.
Okay.
Look, he's scared. I think maybe if we don't attack them, they won't attack us.
Yeah.
We can live a peaceful life.
Let me just set fire, because I don't trust them.
No, don't set fire to them.
No, I won't set them on fire. Just, let's get a
I
campfire.
don't think they're used to like purple light, so maybe that's. Ah! They hit me! Kill them!
And then it begun our war with those monkey men. We don't know what that we call them now, but we call them monkey men or a different tribe. But yes, we have now declared war with them, and they are now our official enemies because they attacked us.
I'm almost dead.
What the?
Oh, he's very skillful. I don't know. Kill him.
Die.
Yeah, make an example out of him. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Oh, nice, you got one. Oh. Oh, you devil!
I got it. Oh! How do I
Devil.
throw him away? I'm coming. I got you.
Thank you.
Ah! No! No! No!
He's coming after me. He's gonna kill me.
No!
I'll come get you. I got you.
Alright.
Where's my axe gone? Oh, is that Kelvin?
Okay, I've lost my axe. Let me get my axe again.
He's running away, Neville. Quick, he's gonna snitch.
Come here. What the?
fuck was that? Oh, what the hell?
Climb up a tree!
Do you have a gun or anything?
No, I only have a wait, let's break the tree
Shut-
down.
Get him! Get him!
Come here. Yes!
Did you get him?
Yeah, I killed him. The battle has ended and we came out the victors of this fight. Nothing much happened except we got hungry and decided to eat food. Let's pick him up.
Hey, Neville, it's a good thing I'm feeling quite hungry today as well.
Yeah, same.
Already, it's day one and we're cannibals already. Oh, his head's gone.
But with a fire.
Wait, do I have my axe on me? Yeah, I do. Alright, so do
Oh,
I
I
just
chopped his
butcher
head
him?
off. Oh my god. Oh,
Neville.
look, I'm burning his body.
We're already going insane. Hey, no, we need to eat that! That's good flesh!
No, how do I pick him up? No,
No, Neville!
I'm burnt.
Burnt now.
Don't worry, I can put him up.
Oh, no, Neville!
Fire!
That's our food gone! You burnt both of them!
Oh, did I? No.
Wait, no, there's another body here. This is our food.
Yes.
We need to eat him quickly as well before like anything happens.
Before he comes over. and
Oh, they
tries
become
to-
skeletons, Neville.
Yeah.
You burnt them. This game's so cool. What the hell?
Now we have started with our house making. We have continued building our house.
Wait. We need to wait. Move.
Yeah.
We need to put this. I think. Ah. Oh wait.
Alright. And then it happened. The day has gone by. It finally hit morning. And that was our first day of surviving in this mysterious island. Just quickly.
Oh wait. We did cut it in half.
It's daytime.
Right. But these are just gone.
Oh wait, I can cut this one off.
Right. We
I
need
cut
to
it off.
it. Ah, like this, Neville.
Oh.
Just gotta get some food, Neville.
What was that? Oh, trees. Wait, trees falling down. And that's not our teammate.
No, it is.
Wait, who's sleeping? Oh, that's me. Breathing so loudly.
Isn't it? Neville. What the hell is that? Oh, that's Joseph.
We got fed up of just staying at home, and eventually we were starving and thirsty, so I decided to go hunting. And then I found this. Then I'm just tired and thirsty. You know what? Should I go hunting for food?
Wait, I'll come with you. Wait.
I found a river. Wait, can I swim from this? Oh, yeah, I can! Oh, yes! Yes, I can drink.
Right, Neville, I'm coming.
Just come to where I am, because you can drink some water. Oh, I'm stuffed with water now.
Yeah, but is you guys still wheezing?
Not anymore. Alright, now I just need to find food.
Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
Alright,
We'll hunt together.
alright.
Where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is. Come here, you. I got it! I got it!
Nice!
I don't know where it is though. I found a knife. Oh, wait. Oh. Yes.
Nice.
Yes! I killed it, another
I
one.
killed
Killed another one. Yes, we're eating good today, Neville. Breakfast.
Wait, what was that? He has something.
Right, Neville, let's go back.
Alvin, I got a
Oh,
human.
a rabbit!
Yeah, I think that was the rabbit I was chasing, but Alvin, I got a human.
Bro, I'm so sick of this. I killed it.
Nice.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah.
Neville.
I got a human on me.
What? What do you mean? You killed someone?
Yeah.
No, you know this isn't good. I think we're not supposed to kill, like, all of them. I think, like, they get angry at us if we keep killing them. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, then they'll start a whole war with us. We can't win a war. Now that we have food and we successfully went hunting, now I discovered a few things on my way back. And trust me, it's not good.
Oh, get some sticks now then.
Yeah, I got one stick on me. Why is there a leg and just a body there?
Where?
I think that was the person that I killed. I think he did it.
Oh. Does he need food? Or does he just starve?
He looks like he's out of breath though. I think it's alright for him to have food.
Right, get the campfire going.
Alright. Alright, campfire's starting.
Oh no, I ate the raw meat!
Oh no.
Oh, that's not good.
Okay, I
How do I
think
cook the meat?
I don't know.
Oh, I did it, okay. I put some meat on the fire.
Right, nice.
You can have that.
Yes, we're eating good tonight. Alright, let's make
We
the
should s-
I'll just make the house while we're waiting.
I'll be the chef.
Alright.
Finally, we're advancing now.
Yes.
Oh, it's cooked.
Oh shit, I'm coming. Ugh, spiders.
I don't have to give it. Oh, I ate it.
That's fine.
Sorry.
Looks like I'm starving. No.
Right, let's go get some. Wait, how do we sleep?
We did it, boys and girls. We eventually advanced to the next level. Well, my friend got food. I was still starving, but I had water. But now we have a place to sleep. We have shelter.
Neville, look.
Oh shit, what was that? How'd you do that? Hold up, if I get those sticks in. Oh my god, he's doing it for us. Oh my god, this is all we have to do.
Ah. Good night, Neville.
Good night. Oh shit, it's night time. No.
Did you sleep?
Yeah. Let's sleep again, let's sleep again.
Wait, you can. If you're going to get some. Oh, I'm thirsty and hungry as well.
Yeah, I'm just hungry. Okay, so we made some progress. We can sleep. All I need to do is eat now. And then I'll be set.
Right, there must be like an efficient way of getting food.
Oh wait, if I eat this, most of my hunger comes up. Oh shit! I think I did something to myself. I think I ate poisonous. No, I didn't. No, never mind.
Oh
I
no.
think I'm fine. I ate some mushrooms, so I
Right,
don't think I'll be fine.
traps. I feel like if you cut the trees as well, they'll get angry, no? Like, maybe
Yeah.
it's their forest. I don't know.
While I was on the move to find some food, I stumbled across the enemy's base. Oh, okay.
Wait, okay, I think I've got 25 sticks.
So our aim of the game today. Oh shit! I found the camp, Alvin.
Neville,
I
Fuck.
found their camp.
wait. We'll launch an attack, just wait.
Be careful when you come up. I see someone captured.
Oh, is the camp below you?
Yeah.
Alright,
So be
okay, we've
careful.
got the height advantage.
Yeah.
Use it wisely.
Oh, looks like they've been eaten.
Oh shit! Neville!
I'm up here. I'm up here. Is that guy human? I went behind you.
There's no one else here.
I went behind you. Behind you, Alvin. Behind you.
Why is he walking up to that?
I'm right behind him, just in case.
You're right behind him, Neville. Get him! Jump him! Jump him! I got him. He's still alive?
Oh, he's saying no. He's saying no.
Okay, spare him. Spare him. Who do you think I am? We need the food.
Rope.
Oh, bird. Are we the good people or these are the good people? Oh, what the hell?
Okay. Oh, I'm on the
Oh
floor.
shit, Neville, I killed you. Sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I got him.
Alright, nice. Oh my god, we are ruthless in this game.
Can we not have this meat? Or is it just human meat? Can we not have human meat? Neville, look at this. It's like a snake or something.
Ugh. I drank some.
In pouch. Ugh.
Oh my god, I just took some pills.
You just took some random pills.
Yeah. Oh, looks like it boosted my sleep.
Wait, so did you get a drink? Oh, I got a drink too. I'm gonna keep that for later. I know normally I'm a cruel person, but I'm gonna save him. If I can, I don't know how to.
I don't think we should.
Oh, I saved him. Ow! Hey! Get him!
I don't.
Whoa! What the hell? Okay, maybe we just release the bad guy.
Yeah.
Oh, he's on the floor. He's on the floor. He's dead.
But that's not human. Wait. Let's,
Wait, no,
let's
no,
go.
move.
I'll cut him.
Oh, we're both doing the same thing. Oh, I can't find it. Ah, Neville! No! Oh, are we both dead?
Yeah.
No! You're kidding.
Oh, okay, so we have to hold E to respawn. Oh, we're probably trapped with them. Just like that, we've been captured. As soon as things were going good, we turned our backs against the enemy and we got captured.
Oh no! They
But
captured
we can
us.
get out. We can get out.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, where are you?
I'm like right next to you.
Where? I can't see you.
I'll kill you.
Neville. Neville, no. Free me. I can't do it for some reason.
How do I do it?
Ow!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Neville, don't leave me.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Oh wait, I did it.
Oh, he's dead.
I have to free myself thanks to someone.
I'm sorry, man. I tried to. I don't know how to.
Neville.
Oh. Bye. What the?
I want this
shit?
chair.
This is
Can
a-
we take it with us?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to sit there anymore. Oh my god, I need to wash my pants. Oh.
Okay. They've got a little water slide too, to be fair.
Yeah, you know, I think we should take over this camp. But just in case, I'll find a rabbit.
I
and kill it.
can't believe that cunt. Like, we saved its. Oh, rabbit. Rabbit escaped. Oh, rabbit there. So he's over there.
Oh,
He's jumping. Neville, I am like evolving in this island. Oh, it's a squirrel.
I killed a squirrel and got his meat.
Oh, this squirrel's evading me.
After the hunting, we decided to get out of the forest, in which we went into our spawn point. And then we found a little cave, so we decided to take a little trip. And then this happened.
Oh! Fuck me. Okay.
I think it should have been. I think
Otherwise, let's not. Let's not.
yeah.
Let's not. That's for another day.
I think that's what we were meant to start. That's why we have the symbol there.
Oh, are we supposed to just go in there?
Yeah.
Are we playing this wrong?
I think we are.
It's fine.
Yeah, we play it how we want to play it.
Whoa, look at the view.
Oh, the mountain's beautiful. It's like bedrock, man. It's
I
so
think
beautiful.
last time when we played for like 5 minutes,
I think
I
it was
spawned
there.
up there.
Yeah. I think 'cause we went and went for a while, we got a bit further instead. Like we turned off our.
Oh
our
my
computer.
god, look how many logs he's got.
Oh my god.
This guy.
We put him to work.
Right, Neville, can you get a campfire going?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, I can do it now. It's just the old one. Why can't I cook? Oh. Yes. This is mine.
I like this one then. How do I cook?
You just click on the fire. Like, you can press E on the fire and then you can drop your meat
Oh,
on
I'm
it.
eating. Oh shit! No, no, no. G, G, G.
You eat the raw meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that too.
All right.
Oh yeah, you got... Right. Nice.
Let's go. I'm evolving as well.
Right, how do you build walls?
All right, that satisfied my hunger. How do you build what?
A wall?
Do you reckon it's the same, but like?
Wall. Oh, wall. Yeah, it's just the same. Oh, it's logs. It's just pure logs.
I
Do you
don't
hear
know.
the water sound?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's crazy from over here.
What?
I guess I can't really ask him what the sound is because he's deaf. Please.
Oh, Neville. I can throw rocks at you.
Don't, please don't. There you go.
Neville.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that hurts.
I'm just gonna stone you.
No.
Work, slave. Work.
Okay. Okay. Whoa, that's taking it too far there. No.
No, not like that. I'm also.
Oh. Alright.
I'm your master.
I'm throwing this at you.
Hey, hey. Right. And then I think I just get the axe. Oh, okay. No, I want my inventory. Okay.
Oh my god, the logs look so nice when it's wet. Oh no, the campfire's going.
Whoa, this is sick. He
I
like
know.
actually mines the wood.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh.
falling. No, no.
No. No. No. Oh my,
Oh my
god.
god. Right. Can we? Oh, do we need to replant the trees? I really hope we can.
Yeah.
This guy's building his log cabin, man. He's having a time of his. Why is it slanted? Why is this? Oh no. Wait. I'm sorry, Kevin, but I just his project has come to a halt.
No. He just put a thumbs up.
Oh. Wait, Neville. It's almost time. Oh, he's sad, Neville.
Is he where? Wait. Oh no! Damn. Let's go. Alright. I think this is it. Our roof is almost finished. Oh my god, no. Why is it just one little gap here?
I'll try and fix it. Almost.
After a long, hard, tireless work of building our house, we finally did it. We finally made it to our last project, which was building the roof. And we finally got that completed as well. Except, we ran into some problems when we tried to put the last piece on. The last one.
Oh, Neville, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, I'm ready. No. Why is it not working?
I got it for a second. Come on.
What are you doing? Oh my god.
Oh no.
No.
Oh my
All our
god.
hard work for what, mate? All for
Hey, it's a skylight. I can't get it. Right, drop it. You know what? This is our room. So,
It's a boundaries, man.
Yeah.
You have this
What the
house, I
hell?
have this house.
yeah. No. Okay, fine. Have fun getting out.
Oh shit. Wait, let me just.
Right, we can do this.
I
Oh,
believe.
oh. Yes! We did it!
Shelter.
It's
Shelter.
our house. Where's Kelvin?
And there you have it. We finally built our house. Our dream house, a long-awaited house that we've not like it took us so long, man. Like it's our dream house that we always like thought about for the future, you know. Our new home.
Follow me.
Okay, dokie. I think we should like give him a bath first. But he's not following you. Oh no, he is. Is he not entering?
Get in.
He's confused.
Fine. We need windows as well, don't we?
Oh
So
yeah.
there's gonna be a window in here.
This is not. What window is this? Is like another door.
This is a door,
Alright.
and I built a window over there. Wait. Oh, what if we build a... Why is it all crooked like that? Never look.
Hold up. What is it? Why is it always like so bent down?
Wait, I got it. There we are.
Nice. Oh my
What if you
god.
build that here as well?
Mate, we'd be sorted.
I don't know what this is though.
Oh, only 20 wood.
What is this? Maybe we can have like our storage in here.
Yeah, storage here. This is our little main house or tower. And we will start building our defense afterwards. Let's stay at night time.
Oh yeah, well, like, so this is an entrance into our little compound. And we'll have like
Yeah.
a wall, like a courtyard in here.
I can't wait. After all that, we have decided what we want to do. We're having a control tower, we're having a storage room, and that house. Everything was planned out, and it was perfect to the last detail. We had our whole plan, and now it was time to get the plan into action.
Wait, where is Kelvin?
Good question.
It's nighttime. No, where is he?
Don't tell me you've been
Oh,
kidnapped.
there he is. He's here. He's here.
Alright.
We can't let him venture out too far in the night.
Yeah, let's tell him to like stay here now. We'll make him rest. Oh damn!
Wow,
What a day.
this has been relaxing. Alright, you continue with your structure.
I don't think he rested.
Finish structure. Oh, we need to check our fish. I made a fish trap.
Oh yeah, you did.
Oh, I didn't finish it.
Oh,
I finished it now. Tomorrow there'll be fish. Ooh, mushrooms.
oh yeah, I had some.
I'm gonna start tripping out in the forest. Oh,
Yeah, that's what happened to me.
what the hell? There's more of him. I love how the grass moves as the rabbit goes. You can
Yeah,
kind of like,
you can
oh,
tell when
whatever.
it's around it.
Squirrel. Oh my god, where is it?
Yes, I killed it.
Oh, wait for me. Let me skin it as well.
Alright,
'Cause I don't. I think we can both do it.
yeah, nice,
Yes, I got it. Got it.
nice, nice, nice.
I never come. Maybe you can get some meat with it as well. Alright, go.
Oh yeah,
Why is the guy making those noises?
because I ate some.
Did you eat the raw meat?
I had mushrooms.
Oh,
I-
I got a bird. Neville,
Yeah.
I got a bird.
Oh shit.
Like an animal bird, not.
After a long day of hard work, we decided to settle down, sit down, and eat some food.
Finish structure. Get him on that.
Let's see. Alright.
Um. Wait, what? How can I? Oh yeah, just a fire. Bloody hell, we're surviving, Neville.
We are.
Living on scraps, and we must be doing this completely wrong. But it's working.
Yes,
What
it
day
is.
were we on?
Day 4.
Day 4. Wait, Neville.
Yeah.
What's that next to the strong icon? The eye.
What eye?
Look on
Oh,
your
the
like
eye.
health and hunger and everything. You see the eye?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. I think we should find that out tomorrow, because it's kind of
Yeah, yeah,
concerning,
yeah.
don't you think?
I think we're being watched.
Yeah, I think so too.
Quick, man. End it off now.
With that, we end off episode 1. Oh, it's been an eventful day, and if you enjoyed it, stay tuned, and episode 2 will probably come out next Saturday, so yeah. Peace out, bitches.